Are you tired of struggling to grow healthy plants in your garden? The secret to success lies in the soil beneath your feet. Healthy soil is the key to growing killer plants. But how do you achieve rich, fertile soil that will make your garden thrive? First, start by testing your soil. Understanding its pH level and nutrient content will help you determine what amendments it needs. Next, add organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve soil structure and fertility. This will provide essential nutrients for your plants to grow strong and healthy. Don't forget to mulch your garden beds to retain moisture and suppress weeds. This will also help improve the soil as the mulch breaks down over time. Lastly, consider rotating your crops to prevent nutrient depletion in the soil. This will help maintain a healthy balance and ensure long-term success in your garden. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to growing killer plants with rich, nutrient-dense soil. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.